Hey guys, this video is the walkthrough of Toppo One mission from VulnHub. So you can download the zip file, which is download mirror. So in your Windows mission, after that you just need to extract the Toppo. So you can use any other extractors. Here I'm using WinRAR. You can use 7zip if you want. So basically this is a .vmdk file, which means this file is suitable for VMware. So you can also use it for VirtualBox. So people have doubt how you can use this file in VirtualBox. Is it work? So let us take a look at how we can do that. So I'm just clicking the new button. After that I'm entering the name Toppo and I'm just specifying the directory where I want to install that. So I'm just selecting it as D and there is no ISO image. So yeah, I'm just selecting the OS as I don't know which OS is that. So yeah, let us move there and let us read something from here. As you can see, the OS is Linux. So yeah, you can just select the OS as Linux and Oracle other Linux. So yeah, after that we can just uh, click finish. Then you just need to go to settings. In the settings, you just need to go to storage. In the storage, you can just click here and click add. So you could not find that. So just need to click here, click add, and now in the app, so I can find the topo.bmdk file. So I'm just importing that, clicking OK. And now I just want to change the network setting to bridge adapter and click start. We found an error, so we can just power it off. Go to settings again, storage, attach. Let us attach this on IDE. Click choose, click OK, and start. And we were able to start that. We need to attach that on IDE, so that's the error. So this is how you can attach the VMDK file onto the VirtualBox. I hope you learned about it. So anyways, we were able to start the Toppo and the IP address is shown here. Happy owning. So anyways, let's move to the Kali Linux and I'm just opening the terminal in the Kali Linux and in the terminal I'm entering sudo arp scan -L to find the IP address of the device, which was also mentioned there, but also I'm just using this again. So yeah, 241. So MAC address starting with 08. So yeah, I'm just performing nmap all port scan, service version scan. And if you don't know, this is to specify this is to scan all the ports, which is there is total of 65,535 ports. So when you include -p minus, then it will scan for all the ports. And -S capital V is for scanning for the service version. So if a port is open, then it will show you the version related information of that particular port. So that is why we put -S capital V. So yeah, this may take some time depending upon the mission, so it's faster now. So anyways, we can see the port 22 SSH is open and port 80 HTTP is open and port 111 RPC bind is open and 45391 status. So anyways, we can see the versions here. So here I can see that port 80 is open, which is HTTP. So that means you can just browse the IP address in the browser to view something. So when I browse the IP address, this is what I am able to see, like clean blog, a blog themed by Start Bootstrap. So this is what you find. So so let us save this. Open the new terminal tab. After that, I'm just entering Nictoscan. Let it run. In the clean blog, so let us explore. So let us look for the page source. Let us open about me. Let us explore it. Okay. and we got some where we can enter name, email, phone number, message, related information in the contact. This is basically Bootstrap. So, anyways, this is what you find directory indexing found admin. This might be interesting and a lot of things. So, yeah, we can just move to admin. And here in the admin, we can see notes.txt. In the notes.txt note to myself, so I need to change my password. So it's 1234510 123 is too outdated, but the technology isn't my thing. I prefer go fishing or watching soccer. So basically, this is the password. Maybe the slash is included or not included. I don't know. We can just check. So basically, when we read the password, it's 12345 123. So maybe the username will be Ted, right? So yeah, we can just copy the entire content and we can just open the mouse pad and just paste it here. So yeah, we are assuming the username as TED. We know that port 22, which is SSH, is open. So we can SSH TED at the IP address of our target, which is here. And we can enter yes. And we can just copy the entire content first and its file. So that means it's 12345 TED 123. So you can just copy that content and paste it here. And boom, we were able to gain access to TED's SSH. So when I enter ls, I cannot see anything. When I enter ls all, I can see some bash history, bash logout, profile, something like that. So I'm just getting bash history and I'm not able to find anything. So yeah, I'm just entering sudo -l to list the privileges and it's saying command not found. So basically we do not find any kind of user text in the home directory. So we can just move a little back. Here we can see that only the user is dead. So I think our aim is to find to become root, I think. So anyways, let's use another command which is find slash minus perm for permission minus u equal to s for SEO related permission to greater slash dev slash none. This is for getting the results as error free. And we can see a lot of things like Xim for GPass WD, a lot of things like the MOUC, prop mail, patch WD, SU mount. So this seems suspicious for me. So I'm just copying this and opening the browser and search for the website called GTF bins. In the GTF bins, I'm just searching the MOUC and boom, we were able to find the binary. And here I am able to find the sudo, but we know that sudo will not work. So yeah, we can just copy the content without sudo and just try to execute it. And boom, we were able to become root. It's so simple. When you enter who am I, you are now root. So we can move to the root directory. In the root directory, there's a flag.txt. So we can just cat flag.txt. And this is done. So yeah, there is your flags. I don't know about the user flag, so let us search for user flag. I'm not able to find any kind of user flag. So anyways, I think this is the end of this video. Yeah, we were able to become a root. So yeah, this is about this. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned about it. Thank you.